Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a headlight housing on a 2013 BMW X3. Now, before you remove it, you're going to have to remove the bumper. I have a video showing you how to do that. You can check that out. I'll put it in the link. Once you get the bumper removed, you're going to have T30, Torx 30, bolts, 4 of them. One here. One on the side here, one right there, and another one right there. All right, those 4 bolts you take out, and there's going to be a connector here. It's going to be in here. You just squeeze these tabs. See these tabs on the outside right here? Here. On both sides, you squeeze them and you pull it out. Okay, and then it comes right out. And that's pretty much it. Reverse is the same as the removal. Okay, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I appreciate all your comments and all your input. Thank you very much. Bye.